Hello guys, welcome to Vin's Kitchen. Today we'll be making Jamaican fruit cakes. This can be used for weddings, birthday, anniversaries, Christmas, and any other special occasion. Set oven to 150 degrees Celsius. Place a tray of water at the bottom of the oven. This will allow the cakes to stay moist. These are all the ingredients. Prepared baking tin with greaseproof paper, and you can use margarine or you can use butter. And the amount of tin depending on how much the mixture is. Boil all fruits in grape juice for 30 to 45 minutes and leave to cool. Once cool, blend to a mushy consistency. Mix butter and sugar in a cake mixture until soft and fluffy. Then pour in a large bowl. Break eggs in a mixing bowl and remove all ice in the eggs to prevent it smelling raw. Then add eggs to the mixture. Sieve flour in a bowl and add breadcrumbs with 1½ tablespoon mixed spice, also cinnamon, nutmeg, and 2 tablespoons baking powder. Then fold in dry mixture in small portions. I'm using a large bucket because I've got a large mixture. Then add molasses. Molasses takes a little while to come off the spoon, so just be patient with it. It makes the cakes have a nice brownie taste, and it's allowed the cake to be moist as well. Then add rum and wine into the fruits. I use Ruby Port, Ray and Nephew, and Red Label wine, but it's all optional. How much you use is also optional. Then add 6 tablespoons of rose and almond extract. Then add some vanilla extract too. I use 1 cup. Put the browning into the fruits and mix to an even consistency. Add the fruits in a small portion to the mixture and keep folding as you go along. It should be nice and fluffy and smooth. Pour into prepared tins. So pour in until it reaches near to the edge, because the greaseproof paper is there to protect it just in case any raisin. Then place in a preheated oven for 80 to 90 minutes. Place the tin in the center of the oven and cover with foil paper to prevent the cakes from drying out. Insert a knife in the center of the cake, and if it comes out clean, it is ready. Leave to cool for an hour. Then place on a prepared rock or cake board. So guys, this is what a fruit cake looks like. Guys, this is so lovely. It is smelling great. I can't resist eating some now. Once you're satisfied that it is ready, then you can go ahead and put ruby port wine all around, and that's all optional. Then you can also wrap in cling film to keep it moist. So that's it, guys. This is my Jamaican fruit cake. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe, and please give me a thumbs up.